If you've ever wondered whether Exness is the right broker for you, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll be sharing my honest experience with Exness, breaking down all the essentials so you can make an informed decision. Whether you're new to trading or an experienced trader looking for a change, this review will give you a solid understanding of what Exness has to offer. First, let's take a look at the advantages. One of the standout features of Exness is its transparent pricing and flexible account types, which cater to both beginners and professionals. Additionally, Exness provides fast withdrawals, which are crucial for traders who want quick access to their funds. The platform also offers a wide range of assets to trade, including forex, commodities, and cryptocurrencies, all within a user-friendly interface. However, there are some downsides. For instance, some users report that customer support response times can be slow during peak hours. Additionally, while Exness offers a demo account for practice, the learning resources for advanced strategies could be more comprehensive. Lastly, depending on your location, there might be limitations on specific assets available for trading. Are you tired of the ups and downs of trading and constantly analyzing market trends? PrimeXBT offers a seamless solution. Copy the trades of experienced, successful traders and replicate their strategies automatically. With PrimeXBT, you can step up your trading game without all the hassle. Just register, make a deposit, and start copying winning trades today. As for the cost, Exness operates on a commission-free model for most accounts, relying on spreads. The spreads are generally competitive, though they may widen during periods of low liquidity. There are also swap fees on overnight positions for certain assets, so if you're planning on holding trades long-term, it's worth keeping this in mind. For frequent traders, the cost structure is attractive, but make sure to review the detailed fee schedules based on the specific instruments you plan to trade. In terms of service, Exness excels in account security. They provide negative balance protection, ensuring you never lose more than your deposit, and they follow strict regulatory requirements, being licensed by major financial authorities. Their platform also integrates seamlessly with MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, offering flexibility for those who prefer more control over their trades. Exness also supports copy trading through their platform, making it easy to follow and mirror the strategies of successful traders. This is an excellent option for beginners or those looking to diversify their trading portfolio without actively managing every position. If you're interested in starting copy trading with Exness, it's a straightforward process. Simply sign up, make a deposit, and choose from a list of experienced traders to follow. Their performance statistics are available in real time, allowing you to make informed decisions. To sum up, Exness is a reliable and well-regulated broker that suits a variety of trading needs, whether you're a forex trader or interested in other markets like commodities or crypto. If you're still undecided, I recommend starting with their demo account to get a feel for the platform before committing real money. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button if you found this review helpful.